Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is my Harig 6x18 automatic surface grinder. Has the fine feed. Walker controller with variable control and release. Has an 1.25 inch spindle hub. Walker fine pole magnetic chuck. This is how you engage the power feed. This changes direction. This is the feed on the x-axis. It has Teflon ways. This is how you disengage the power feed so you can just use it manually. This changes the direction of the cross feed. The buttons aren't in very good shape, but this is for starting the spindle. That's for stopping the spindle. That's to turn on power cross feed. That's to turn on power longitudinal feed. That's coolant, which it doesn't have. And this is how you set the amount of power cross feed. And I've already advanced it a 0.5 thousandths. Thanks for looking.